Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nana. Happy birthday to you. Nana, God bless you and wish you a very, very happy birthday. You've been a wonderful guiding light to us all these years and hope you have a wonderful 66th birthday.
Happy birthday, Nana. I love you.
We all love you.
Love you too. Love you.
Speak together.
Hi, Ladu. Happy birthday. God bless you. May you see many more happier ones to come.
Happy 60th, Gladu Manu.
And God bless you.
Wish you a very happy 66th birthday, Auntie Claro. God bless you and may you see many more blessed ones to come.
Jenny, you can actually, Jaden just knocked off some years of the young girl's age. So, happy birthday. God bless you. And we all love you. And have a fantastic day, maintaining social distancing. Happy birthday. All right, Jaden, sing Happy Birthday to you. Sing, Jaden.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Gladu Nana. Happy
Happy
birthday to
birthday to you. That's it. Have a wonderful day. Thank you and God bless. Say bye.
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 Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Gladu. God bless you on this your 66th birthday. And God bless you to see many, many more. And thank you for being who you are. Always there for your nieces and nephews, whoever came into Bombay. You're always welcome. Be it chicken roast, fish curry, fish fry, or just dal, rice and vegetable. You're always welcome. Everyone with open arms. Love you for that. Take care and God bless you.
happy birthday and all the best. Be safe.
Happy birthday, Auntie Gladu. God bless you. Love you. Take care. Happy birthday. God bless you. May you live to be 100. Bye. Take care. Take care. Look after yourself. Stay safe.
We're wishing you all the best for your 66th birthday. Stay safe and healthy in India, and we're sending you lots of love from Germany. Bye. Bye.
Happy 66th birthday, Auntie. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Gladu. God bless you on this your 66th birthday, and always be the good sister and kind sister. Always. Love you loads. Take care.
Happy 66th birthday, Auntie Claru. Have a great day and hopefully see you after the lockdown. And baby saying happy
Nana
66th.
Gladu. Oops.
There you go. Drops it.
There's Nana.
Happy birthday, Auntie Gladu. God bless you always. Love you.
Hi, Auntie Gladu. Happy birthday.
Happy
birthday, Auntie Gladu. Love you. God bless and I hope you have a wonderful time. Take care. See ya. Bye.
Hi Gladu, today is your special day. I'd like to wish you a very, very happy birthday. May God bless you, protect you, give you good health and loads of happiness. This comes with a lot of love, hugs and kisses. Stay safe, my friend. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
God bless you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie Gladu.
Take care, stay blessed and stay safe.
God bless you.
God bless you and may you see many more years. Happy birthday from Shiona's side also.
Shiona's Nana,
Give
happy
Nana
birthday.
flying kisses. Flying kisses. Flying kisses. Come on, give flying kisses. She's smiling.
Bye Nana, good
Bye,
night.
Nana. Take care. God bless you.
Bye bye.
Auntie Gladu, wishing you a very happy birthday. Wishes from Dada and Mama too. And I hope you have a fun day. Enjoy yourself. Take care. Bye.
Birthday Gladys. Have a great day and God bless.
हैप्पी बर्थडे बेबी।
हैप्पी बर्थडे बेबी।
आप जियो हजारों साल, आपको ईश्वर हमेशा खुश रखे, आप हमेशा स्वस्थ रहें, यही हमारी कामना है। अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे बेबी।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Meenakshi Bhabhi. Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Love you. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from all of us here. I love you, Meenakshi. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
मीनाक्षी जी नमस्कार। जन्मदिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आप स्वस्थ रहें, सुखी रहें और प्रसन्न रहें, यही शुभकामनाएं।
Hi Meenakshi, how are you? Happy birthday, 15 June. You know, it's my birthday too. But in this lockdown period, it's very sad. We can't meet each other and celebrate, dance and all. We are missing all that. Otherwise, you know, during my birthday, 15 June, we have a blast. We have a party. But it's a sad thing. We cannot enjoy, we cannot dance and all. But anyways, don't worry. You have a good fun with your family people, with Pinka, with Rohini and with your other family members. You just have a small party at home. Enjoy, stay blessed and be happy. And very soon, after the lockdown breaks, we are going to have a party at my place. And we both will celebrate our birthday at my house. We'll have dance, we'll have fun with our group people, and we'll really enjoy very soon. Let's pray to God that this coronavirus should go off from here forever. Anyways, have a fun. God bless you, dear. So that love you. Happy birthday to you. And I'll just sing for you a small, just 2 lines. Just enjoy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Meenakshi. Happy birthday to you. God love you. God bless you. Have a nice time. Meenakshi love you. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Auntie. Happy birthday to you. God bless you. God bless you. I love you, my auntie.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Meenakshi. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, so a very happy birthday, aunt. It is your 66th birthday. Have loads and loads of fun. There's many more to come. And get drunk and have an extra piece of cake from my side. Take care. Cheers.
Hello, auntie. Wishing you a very happy birthday. As said by someone, age is just a number. So enjoy your birthday. Don't count the numbers and have fun.
हेलो मीनाक्षी मैम, कैसे हो आप? आई होप सब अच्छा ही होगा एंड विश यू मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. बाय.
Bye.
You may be older than yesterday, but younger than tomorrow. Happy birthday, Auntie Gladu. Lots of love from Abu Dhabi.
Happy birthday, Auntie Gladys. Wishing you all the health and happiness in life, and may you see many more happy ones to come. And also, thank you so much for being there for me when I was sick and being there like a second mother.
Hi, Auntie. Wishing you a very happy birthday. May all your dreams come true, and God bless you with a lot of good luck and good health. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.
Hello, wish you happy birthday, Auntie.
Many happy returns of the day, and wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you.
Hello, Auntie. A very happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Happy life ahead. See you soon.
Hi Gladys, wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you, and may all your wishes and your dreams and whatever you want in life come true. Have a rocking birthday from Antoinette, Andy and Selena.
Andy, many happy returns of the day. I'm sorry, I'm very bad in sending messages and all. During this lockdown, again, have a great birthday. Stay at home, stay safe. Have an amazing birthday with your family members. And it's from my end, and it's from Raisa as well. So many happy returns of the day. Take care, have fun. Bye.
Auntie, happy birthday. God bless you, and please take care and be safe.
Sending you smiles across for every moment of your special day. Happy 66th birthday. Take care. Bye.
Hi Meenakshi auntie, wishing you a very happy birthday. God bless you and may all your desires be fulfilled. Take care.
Hi Meenakshi auntie. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear auntie. Happy birthday to you. Wish you many happy returns of the day, Meenakshi auntie. Stay safe, stay healthy forever. Take care. Goodbye.
हेलो मीनाक्षी जी, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. अल्लाह आपको खूब लंबी उम्र दे, सेहत तंदुरुस्ती के साथ आपकी सब ख्वाहिशें पूरी हों. आमीन. बाय.
Jai Shri Krishna. How are you, Meenakshi auntie? Hope you and your family are doing good. Enjoy your quarantine birthday. Many happy 66th birthday. Wish you a healthy, wealthy life ahead. All the love and best wishes from me. All the blessings are here from the God to you. Do enjoy. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Hey Mom, you have always been there for me no matter what. Made me feel loved and taught me so much in life. I appreciate all that you've done for me. You are the strongest and the most amazing person I know. You are my motivation and my comforter. I admire you for your strength, kindness and compassion. I don't think we could thank you enough for being the person you are. You are my hero. You mean the world to me. And I'm grateful for you every day. Happy birthday, Momsy. I love you so much. Mwah. So it's not only your birthday, but it's also your anniversary. And though Dad's not around us right now, but we can definitely feel his presence around us at all times. So keep smiling, because he loved that smile on your face. Happy birthday once again, Mom. Lots and lots of love, hugs and kisses. Mwah.
क्या
दे नानी
नहीं मैं तेरा नानी नहीं मैं wish you really happy birthday
वापस से बोलो
तेरा नानी wish you really happy birthday
जोर से बोलो
dear Nani wish you very happy birthday
and who made this card
it is for you Karan
yes this is for Nani
yeah this is Sayaka Nani
yes show it inside show it inside
I sent some great love surprise for you and me ta-da look at all the balloon
wow
it's
say happy birthday to you Nani
happy birthday to you look we can put down hands and you can
look
see,
here look here look here Nani को बोलो ना happy birthday to you
can see our
birthday to
you happy birthday to you happy birthday to you grandma happy birthday to you Yay! Happy birthday Glado Nana enjoy happy birthday Nana and I love you so much. That's why I made a song for you and let's get started. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Nana. We are all family. Family. May all your wishes get granted and God bless you. Happy birthday once again. We are all family. I love you so much. That's all hugs and love and kisses. Bye.